So it's dark outside and you're ready to take photos with your telescope. You do a quick check of the conditions and you see whether if it's cloudy or raining. And then you see a few other terms. Like, what is seeing and transparency? Stick around. Okay, let's head outside so we can do a demonstration. Use the old hot tub here. Whoa. First, let's start with seeing. We'll pretend the water is like the air. All right, we zoom in on one of these lights. No, not one. You can see the image pretty well. Turn down the jets, the water is being disturbed. Let's go look at that light again. There. See how it's almost flickering like a star would due to our atmosphere? That's seeing. It's a turbulent in the air, just like there's turbulence in this water. Now then, what is transparency? That one's a little bit easier. It's essentially how much dust and smoke and debris is floating around in the air. So for transparency, we're going to use this glass. But just like the seeing, for transparency, we're going to use water instead of air. We'll fill that up. All right. So there. In this case, this would be good transparency. You can see right through the air, or in our case, the water. What does core seeing look like? Well, let's just start with, I'm going to use a little bit of flour. Put down there. As you can see the flour falling down into the water. And this would be, less than perfect transparency. It's starting to get a little bit cloudy. This could be from a nearby forest fire, with smoke or smog, or just wispy clouds in the air. So let's give it a little stir.
Whoa, so what?
And now this would be a case of poor, bad, honestly awful transparency. So that would be probably a huge forest fire happening nearby where you are. Probably not the good time to go do any kind of astrophotography with your telescope. So there you have it. That's seeing and transparency. Two terms that you'll see on your clear sky chart for your region, along with darkness and heat, humidity, cloud cover. Seeing and transparency are particularly important because they will affect your guiding, so keep an eye on those. Please feel free to comment below. I'd love to hear from you if you have any questions. And thanks for watching.